Abortion itself won't be on the ballot in November. That's because Iowa doesn't allow for citizen-led ballot initiatives. Any changes would have to come from the legislature, and Democrats are already making this election about abortion.
Iowans are fed up, they're furious about this abortion ban, and we're going to make them pay. That's exactly what we're going to do.
House Minority Leader Jennifer Confer says they're starting an awareness campaign to tell voters that the law is in effect and which Republicans voted for it.
We've had times when we've been saved by the courts before. That didn't happen this time. Iowans need to know, and Iowans need to know if they feel helpless, if they feel like they want to do something about this, their best opportunity to do so is at the ballot box in 99 days.
Iowa State University political science professor Dave Peterson says framing the election around abortion rights generally helps Democrats.
The record post-obs has been that when an election gets framed to be about abortion, either abortion is specifically on the ballot or that's what the candidates have chosen to focus on and what voters are thinking about, that's good for Democrats.
Though Peterson says Iowa Democrats will have a harder time since abortion itself isn't on the ballot. In a social media post Monday, presumptive Democratic nominee Vice President Kamala Harris blamed Iowa's law on former President Donald Trump.
What we need to do is vote, because I'm going to tell you something. When I am President of the United States, I will sign into law the protections for reproductive freedom.
Peterson says Harris making abortion a central part of her campaign will keep the issue top of mind for voters, which can trickle down to state legislature races.
So by Harris campaigning on abortion, again, when people are going into the voting booth, that's going to be one of the, that's likely to be, or more likely to be, one of the preeminent issues they're thinking about. Again, we are several more 100 days or so out, and so lots of things can change.
Peterson says Republicans generally don't perform as well when elections are framed around abortion, and they likely won't talk about it much. He says their best strategy is to talk about things like immigration, inflation, or quote, basically anything else. At the Iowa Capitol Bureau, I'm Connor Hendricks reporting.